Nasa professor ya Kizomba na pesa classe na académie African Bilbao Academia. Tuzao nande con abiso Georges Belinga, président ya Koop SF 74.
Koop SF started 2 years back, basically because of the problems of unemployment of the majority of sub-Saharan Africans here in Bilbao. Basically, we have 80% of unemployment for Africans, and we've seen that there was no response from the establishment on what we could do. The only options for Africans here in Bilbao was to do some formation in classical jobs, like can be carpentry or working in the construction, something like that. In COPS, we changed the approach for immigration. We focus on the capabilities of the immigrant people, and we've seen that Africans came here with a lot of things in the luggage. So basically, we're trying to exploit the capabilities, like is the case of here Danny, who is a professor of Kizomba here in Bilbao. So our main objective was to reduce unemployment from. Basically, we choose our projects based on the capabilities of the people that they come and what we think are the best options. Right now we have 6 different projects leading by different people. In the end, what we aim is at least one African and one sub-Saharan person by project. So like this, we maximize the diversity in each of and every. We are based in what is so-called the Bilbao Soho, and it's a famous neighborhood because right now it's in the middle of a big gentrification movement. For us, it's very vital this neighborhood, this location, because we're trying to say to local authorities that development is possible without speculation and trying to get the best out of the people that live around this area right now, instead of just changing people and changing habits and bringing new people to the area. We believe in the capabilities of people that are unemployed, but they live in this neighborhood right now. This neighborhood is being really damaged and it's a really poor neighborhood, and we hope that our initiative and someone like will improve the lives of immigrants around the area.
Quais são os serviços que esta organização oferece?
We focus basically in 6 different areas. The first area we focus is in dance. Basically, we teach Kizomba, Semba, and Afro House to different adults and children around the Bilbao area. We have professors from Angola, from Cameroon, and all the different parts of Africa. Then we have also Sildo Faya, which is a project based on artists, more in music. So basically, we have rappers and singers. The third area has to do with sports. Basically, we have judo and jiu-jitsu and boxing. The fourth area is commerce. Commerce, basically, we try to focus on exporting products from here, Bilbao, to Africa, and also importing goods from Africa to Bilbao. The fifth area will be languages. We focus in teaching French, English, along with some African languages like Swahili, Wolof, and Fang. And the sixth and last area will be art. And this art is based on teaching young adults in how to paint and how to write.
Mutuna nanga mususu ezake ndenge nini bosala kapona bozo ba recours oyo e permitaka bino bosala activité na bino awa.
We are founded by Arobia Foundation, which is basically a local school. They provide us with a free space to develop our activities. Also, we have very much support by the local authorities, Bilbao and Vizcaya government, and we have also support from La Caixa, which actually granted once with a small loan for our activities.
São as histórias de êxito que é aprendido com este projeto?
Our main success stories would be regarding our neighborhood. So far, we have been having a big impact on acceptance by many people living in this area. So far, there has never been such a thing in this neighborhood. So Africans, they look at this space as a new way to try to get jobs, and also for local people, they start to see the difference in regard to us. We have been participating in social projects and with other associations, and our success stories has to do more with how we relate to each other and how we relate to the environment. Our biggest challenge is to be sustainable, basically developing social business models that could be sustainable from here to 10, 15 years time.
Prato silisia ba question na biso, ba motuna na biso tolingo toyeba conseil nini bino bokopesa conseil nini comme organisation bino bokopesa mpona bato mosusu oyo balingi kofungola organisation mosusu ndeti Koop SF?
I will have two advices. First of all, don't do it. Second, be really, really patient.